Hello, hello. Depressed of West Dorset. Well, the temperature was not dropping on the hotbed. Well, it did by about 1 degree. But when I came in here this morning, the smell of ammonia was overpowering. Absolutely overpowering. There's a random broad bean seed that managed to get its way into this pot. And he was fine last week. And if you look at the edges of the leaves now, they're all curled up. He's starting to die. And it's got to be in the air that's doing it. There's a cabbage plant back there. He's starting to show signs of something. Again, fine last week. This week, we got problems. And plants, little seedlings up here that were okay last week, didn't go on the heat, so it's nothing to do with heat. I've got curled up leaves. I hope my onion pips will survive. I'm really not happy. I think they're going to go. This is the state of the cabbage seedlings now. They've had it. That back there is beetroot. That's had it. And this is the most depressing thing. It's my seedlings for the year. Caravel, buggered. Mammoth Red, buggered. Figaro, buggered. Vic's prize winning leeks, buggered. Ailsa Craig, lovely plants, absolutely superb, coming on beautiful they were. They've had it. Kelsey, had it. Bedford Champ, they've had it. Leon Prize Taker, waste of time. Because the problem I've got now is that now they've had that heat and that ammonia, when they try and grow, all they're going to want to do now is go to seed. They'll bolt. And then that means we won't have any onions. So I got to get busy tomorrow and I got to start sowing some more seeds. And they'll be later. I might miss the shows in August. But if I do, there we go. And there's another wayward bean. He was fine last week. And you can see it. And this is in compost from a mate's place. So it's nothing to do with the compost. It's definitely airborne. Keep on gardening.